Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we finally get a little bit of spoilers for the May Ipsy, but this is the add-ons. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing spoilers and variations for the May BoxyCharm base box. Thank you so much, Emilia Sander. Emilia says, I'm so excited. Well, I'm so excited for you, Emilia, honey. I hope you get the products and items that you was wanting, and I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either search bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comments that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, this is the add-on spoilers for the May Ipsy bags. Guys, I don't know what's going on with Ipsy lately. They used to post spoilers all the time, quite often, I must say. So I don't know what's going on with them. Y'all know, I mean, it's like the start of 2020. It's like they kind of died down from doing spoilers. I don't think it's good business, but you know what? That's just me, and I don't know a damn thing about business in the first place. So maybe I ought to mind my own, but I'm just saying, y'all. But anyways, I do have some add-on spoilers to show you. So the first one is the Ico. Is that the fat liquid liner? Is that what that says? I might be wrong, but yeah, I'll correct myself if I'm wrong, y'all. Next thing is the MOTD brush set. And then we see the Sunday Riley. This is the Good Genes Acid treatment right there. And then next up is the Starface Hydro Stars Pimple Patches. And then we see the First Aid Beauty. That's that Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. And then we see Sand and Sky. Now this is the Australian Pink Clay Mask. And then we see the Tarte Jelly Glaze Lip Mask. And then we see the Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. And then last but certainly not least, we see the In Beauty Lip Glaze. Wow, there's a lot of lip glaze things in there, ain't there? So y'all let me know what you think about these add-on spoilers down there in the comments. Are you going to be getting add-ons this month or what? And of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, you know I'm going to keep you updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Chelsea Brennan. Chelsea says, yay! I've never been able to be this early for a video. Well, Chelsea, honey, I'm so glad to have you here early. That just warms up my heart. I really appreciate that. And I really appreciate you watching the video. Thank you so much, girl. I love you. And guys, remember, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and then tell me I don't have none. You know how they do that? Well, if you would, check for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free. And it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.